Hello friends, welcome to Basic Electrical YouTube channel. So in today's lecture, I am going to explain the concept and operation of residual current circuit breaker. So this topic comes under module 5 as per this subject code. So this subject code comes under VTU syllabus, okay, Vishweshwara Technological University. So it is the most expected question for the upcoming exam. So let we can understand all together. Friends, we can understand how exactly the diagram looks and how it operates when fault occurs, how it operates, all these things we can understand. So first you draw the two circles, okay, of certain diameter. So now this what I wrote circle, this is called core balanced current transformer, CBCT. Once complete, I will write that name. So what you should write means, you take one coil, okay, connect one coil. So let me take this blue color. So initially you connect like this. So current coil is wounded, okay. What I am writing, that is called current coil, okay. So this one is extended certain distance and connect this to some load, okay. Consider it is a machine, okay. So supply is given to some machine, motor or any type of single phase or three phase motor, but I am writing for single phase supply. We can have RCCB for three phase supply also, okay. So this is called enclosure. What I written this outside body, this is called enclosure, okay, enclosure, outer frame of the body. So this enclosure will not carry current, okay, it is non-current carrying part. So machine inside this, what I written here, this consider as a machine resistance, okay, machine winding resistance or something like that. Now you connect this one to the live of the supply. You connect this one to live of the supply. So this much is enough, okay. I connected to live wire, okay, understood now? First you connect one coil to the live wire. Next, see, remaining part, return part is here, okay. Return part is here. That one you connect to the neutral, okay. Here one coil will be there. So this is what I am writing now. This is current coil connected to the neutral of the supply terminal. So wound like that, around 3 to 4 turns is sufficient, okay. Then you connect this to the supply, okay, neutral of the supply, okay. This is neutral, NUTRAL, okay, neutral wire. So on top of this, okay, you draw like this, okay. This is called relay. You will going to trip the contacts, okay. Supply will get disconnected, okay, and write a dotted lines, okay. Draw like this dotted lines. Now you connect one relay here, okay. Connect one relay, okay. Relay will be here, okay. This is called relay, okay, and relay will have direct contact to this contacts. So now between these two coils, okay, you connect one sensing coil, okay. Connect like this, okay. What I wrote, this is called sensing coil. You connect that sensing coil to terminals, two ends will be there. You connect that to relay. Connect the sensing coil to relay, okay. So totally there will be two coils. One is live conductor, current in coil in live wire, coil in neutral wire, and then between those two coils, one sensing coil will be there. So this one we can name it as sensing coil. Okay, current sensing coil. See, very easy. First you write, understand how to draw the diagram in an easy way. Okay, so these two are called overall. What I wrote this everything. This is called CBCT. CBCT means core balanced current transformer. So core balanced current transformer. So let me write. Okay, let me write here itself. Core balanced current transformer. So now one more pin will be there, earth pin. Okay, so this is called a earth pin. Okay, EARTH, earth pin. So you can observe in your home. Okay, there would be a socket like this, electrical socket. Okay, this is live, this is neutral, and that is earth pin. So some device you are directly connected to this earth pin. So between supply and your equipment, electrical machine, between supply and machine, you must connect residual current circuit breaker for some protection. What protection it will do, everything I will explain later. Okay. So now between live and neutral, you connect the test circuit. Okay. Connect the test circuit between live and neutral. So this is the way you should write the test circuit. Okay. So the test circuit will have some resistor. So this resistor value is very large. Higher resistance will be there. So R, and this is the test button. So this is test button. So what it will do, everything I will explain now neatly. So I wrote a complete diagram of residual current circuit breaker. Okay, you write as neat as possible. So let me explain in detail. So keep in mind, the residual current circuit breaker works on the principle of Kirchhoff's current law. Residual current works on the principle of KCL. Okay. See what KCL states: entering current is equal to outgoing current. See, look at here. Under normal working condition, see, this is the load. Load is connected to live wire. Okay, live wire is connected, and neutral is connected to another terminal of the load. So the current flowing in the line, whatever the current flowing in the line, that is IL, and whatever the current flowing in the neutral, that is IL. So under normal working condition, whatever the current flowing in the line conductor, same current will flow in the neutral conductor. So incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Okay, basically it works on this principle. Okay, in case if any problem occurs, if incoming current is not equal to outgoing current, then what happen? The current sensing coil will sense the difference in the current. So due to that difference in the current, it is going to energize the relay. So relay will going to open the supply contacts. At the same time, test button will going to close. Then entire current will circulate in the test circuit. Okay. So this is the actual condition. Let me consider what is the condition to identify the difference in the current. Suppose machine is working under normal condition. Unknowingly, if the machine, some terminals, wires, the winding conductor carrying current and touches the live part, touches the enclosure. Okay, inside the machine it will happens. Okay, then what happens? The current line current is flowing in the machine winding. If that winding due to high temperature something or some abnormal condition, conductor breakdown, and that conductor touches internally, okay, frame of the machine inside. So then what happens? current start flowing in the machine frame. So what happened if any person touches this frame? So if a person touches the frame, then what happened? So that person will get electric shock. In order to avoid the electric shock, okay, under such a condition, what we should do means we should connect this enclosure. This enclosure will be there now. That enclosure you must connect it to the earth. So the body of the enclosure or a machine enclosure, okay, that part directly connected to the earth. So under that condition, if any person touches this frame, if any person touches the frame which is carrying current, okay, when the enclosure is earthed, that person will not get shock. Why means, see, under this condition, now if the person touches, he won't get any shock. Why means, this resistance is very less compared to the human body resistance. So therefore, current always takes the least resistance part. So because of that, human is protected against earth fault. Okay. If any leakage current flowing in the frame of the machine, if a person touches that, under such condition, we can protect against shock. Okay. What is the fault here? Earth fault. Okay. So now, see, if inside something wire touches the frame which is carrying current, so that current I am considering as fault current, IF. Okay, what I wrote here, IF, fault current. See now, in normal condition, whatever the current coming from the line, same current is flowing and same current is coming from the neutral. Incoming is equal to outgoing current. So both this coil carrying same current, same incoming, same out. There is no difference in this two coils which is carrying current. Under that condition, the current sensing coil will not get energized because it is carrying balanced current. So 10 ampere it is carrying, it is also carrying 10 ampere. So current sensing coil will not get energized. Okay. Now fault occurs inside the machine. A wire touches the frame, then fault current flows. See now what happens? Whatever the current coming from the line, the entire current is not coming in the neutral. Is not coming out from the neutral because the part of the line current is passing through the fault side. Okay. So these two currents, then what happen? Fault current will be line current minus neutral current. Okay. Under normal condition, fault current will be 0. If any some abnormal happens, then fault current will increase. So when fault current increases, when neutral current decreases, fault current increases. Then what happens? There is a difference in this two coils. So that difference leads to energize the current sensing coil, and that current sensing coil is connected to the relay. Relay will get activated. Okay. Once relay activated, what it makes? It opens the contacts. So this contacts will get open. So therefore, under such fault, so your entire equipment is protected from the source. Okay. So this residual current circuit breaker, keep in mind, it protects against earth fault only. It protects against only earth fault. It won't protect short circuit condition. Only earth fault. Only for human safety. RCCB is used only for human safety. Got it? So then what is the function of test button? Okay. See, if there is any, suppose in a worst condition, sensing coil will not work effectively. It will work. If it not work effectively, even if it is 5% didn't work means, under such condition what happens? The test button will going to get closed. When it going to close, if there is any misbalance between these two coils, if you found any difference in the line current and neutral current, current in live wire and neutral wire current, if any such differences you found means, then test button will going to close it. Then entire current will passes through the test circuit. Okay. Suppose if this resistor was not there, what happened? it becomes, see, it is connected live wire, neutral wire. Live and neutral directly short. Okay, so that is not recommended. That's why they connected high resistance. So the current will keep on flowing in this high resistance. Due to high resistance, no current flows. So by that time, whenever the difference test button closed, in the same time current sensing coil also get energized. So it's going to activate the relay. Relay will got signal from the current sensing coil. So relay will going to open this supply contact. And then when fault occurs, okay, supply will get disconnected with the help of residual current circuit breaker. See, whatever you understand, you write in a general way. Okay, that is recommended. So then, what are the, see, keep in mind, what is residual current they are going to ask. Okay, you must write in your explanation. Residual current is nothing but the current flowing from live of the wire to the earth. That current is called residual current. Okay, see, current coming from the live of the wire, same live wire current is passing through the earth. Same, see, this current, fault current IF is passing through the earth. So current flowing from live of the conductor to the earth, that current is called residual current. The residual current is also called leakage current. Okay, got it? Otherwise, you can tell it is also called fault current. And residual current is nothing but the difference in the neutral current and the live current. Current in live wire and current in neutral wire, that difference is also called residual current. Okay. If any mismatches happen in the current coil of connected to the supply terminals, that is detected by the sensing coil. That will activate relay and then contact opens. See how easily you can write in your own words. But diagram should be as neat as possible. And another thing is types of RCCB. Okay, types of residual current circuit breaker. So we have three types of circuit breaker. Second one I am going to write. Okay, type A circuit breaker. See, this type of circuit breaker is used for AC source. See, I am writing the type of circuit breakers RCCB depending on the sources available. Okay, we have AC source as well as DC source. So first one is type AC. Type AC means it can be used only for AC source only. We can use only for AC source. Next to type A, we can use for AC plus, okay, pulsating DC. Okay, some source we have pulsating DC. And another one is type B circuit breaker. Okay, in type B, it is used for AC as well as DC source. AC as well as DC source. See, keep in mind the difference between MCB and RCCB. MCB used for short circuit protection. MCB will not give earth fault protection. RCCB will give earth fault protection, but RCCB will not give short circuit protection. But worst case, if both fault occurs in real time, so therefore we need to protect the both faults. Therefore we need to use both MCB as well as RCCB. So under such condition, you should use MCB before RCCB. Okay. So suppose if it is RCCB, then you must connect before that MCB you must connect. So it's going to protect short circuit. It's going to protect earth fault. Okay, got it? So always connect MCB before RCCB. So that is the recommended choice. If you connect MCB after RCCB, MCB will trip earth fault, short circuit. But if any fault occurs due to earth leakage current, then RCCB will not trip, because MCB trips, supply get disconnected. Okay, but still supply is connected to the RCCB. So there is some clear-cut clarity. You must always recommended to use MCB before RCCB. Understood, guys? I hope everyone understood in detail. So then, what is the current rating of RCCB? See, we are recommended, see, human can withstand, a person can withstand up to 20 milliampere current. Okay. Suppose we have to select the residual current circuit breaker beyond this rating. Beyond this rating, you can design RCCB, residual current circuit breaker. Okay, got it? So, whatever I am explaining, please don't copy. If you want, dear members, subscribers and viewers, if you need a notes for module 5, I will give my contact number in the in the description. You just message to me. Okay, I am a subscriber of your channel. I need material for module 5. 100% I will give it. Okay. Whatever I explained, same thing is wrote in the material. Okay guys, please give a like and comment and share this video as many friends you know. Okay. Tell them to become member to our channel so they can score good marks. So they can watch all the video lectures on this particular subject. Each modules they can refer. So they can score 20 or 20 in each module. So almost in module 5, remaining 2-3 lectures I need to upload it. We'll upload as soon as possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye, take care. Meet you next lecture, MCB operation.